Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're all doing great and ready to dive into something super exciting today. Wahab here, and welcome back to the channel where we break down the coolest tech and digital tools you need to know about. Whether you're a developer, a cybersecurity enthusiast, or just someone who loves exploring new tech, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into OSINT, open source intelligence, the backbone of cybersecurity, investigative journalism, and digital sleuthing. OSINT is a game changer for anyone who wants to uncover hidden information or analyze digital footprints. OSINT is all about collecting data from public sources, websites, social media, public records, to analyze and build intelligence. It's used by professionals and hobbyists alike to gather insights, track trends, and even solve mysteries online. There's a treasure trove of powerful OSINT tools and scripts on GitHub, free for anyone to use. These tools can help you automate research, analyze data, and discover information you never thought possible. In this video, I'm revealing 20 lesser-known but super powerful OSINT tools you probably haven't heard of, all from GitHub. These aren't your everyday tools, they're hidden gems that can seriously level up your research game. If you love exploring the latest tech, stick around, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more digital tools and insights. Let's jump right in and discover some amazing resources together. Let's kick things off with Sherlock, a powerful tool designed to make online investigations much easier and more efficient. Sherlock automates the process of searching for a username across more than 300 social platforms, saving you hours of manual checking and guesswork. It's lightning fast, completely open source, and gives you a clear, organized overview of where someone might have accounts, all in just a few moments. This makes Sherlock perfect for digital investigators, journalists tracking down sources, or HR professionals vetting candidates' online presence and digital footprints. Always remember, Sherlock only works with publicly available information. There's absolutely no hacking or unauthorized access involved, keeping your research ethical and legal. If you're new to OSINT, Sherlock is one of the simplest, most effective ways to get started and build your skills in online investigations. Next up is the Harvester, a powerful and widely used tool in the world of open source intelligence, or OSINT. It's considered a classic for a reason. It's reliable, efficient, and incredibly versatile for information gathering. The Harvester collects emails, subdomains, IP addresses, and even employee names from a variety of public sources, including search engines, social networks, and other online databases. You can use it to map out an organization's digital infrastructure, uncover hidden connections, or identify potential security risks. It's also a great way to see what sensitive information about your company is publicly accessible and could be exploited by attackers. The Harvester supports multiple data sources: Google, Bing, LinkedIn, Shodan, and more, giving you a comprehensive view of your target. It's command line based, but don't let that intimidate you. The interface is straightforward and you'll be up and running in no time. If you're serious about OSINT investigations, the Harvester is an essential tool you'll want in your arsenal. Now, let's talk automation with Spiderfoot. Spiderfoot automates data collection, scanning for emails, IPs, leaked credentials, and more with minimal input. Its modular design and web interface make managing investigations a breeze. Run scans on domains, IPs, emails, or usernames, and Spiderfoot correlates findings from dozens of sources. If you want to level up your OSINT automation, Spiderfoot is a top contender. Reconnaissance is another heavyweight in the OSINT arsenal. It's a modular web reconnaissance framework. Think Metasploit for OSINT. Reconnaissance supports domain reconnaissance, credential harvesting, social network analysis, and more. Organize and store findings in a database for easy tracking and reporting. For structured, repeatable OSINT investigations, Reconnaissance is hard to beat. Instagram is a goldmine for OSINT, and OSINTgram lets you tap into it. Extract public data from Instagram accounts. Posts, followers, stories, locations, hashtags, and comments. Search tagged locations, download profile pictures, or map out social connections, all from the command line. OSINTgram only works with public accounts, so it's totally above board. If Instagram OSINT is your thing, this tool is a must-try. GHunt digs into public info linked to a Google account, starting with just a Gmail address. It uncovers profile photos, YouTube channels, calendar events, maps reviews, and more, showing your digital footprint in Google's ecosystem. If you're investigating digital identities, GHunt is an eye-opener. PhoneInfoga brings phone numbers to the forefront of OSINT. With just a number, gather carrier details, location hints, linked social profiles, and breaches, quickly and ethically. For mapping digital presence or verifying authenticity, PhoneInfoga is invaluable. Twitter is a goldmine for real-time info, but scraping it is tough, unless you use Twint. Twint scrapes tweets, followers, hashtags, and more. No API keys or rate limits needed. Filter by date, language, or geolocation for deep dives. For social media intelligence, Twint is a must-have. Public documents often hide metadata that reveals their origins. Foca extracts and analyzes metadata at scale: author names, creation dates, software versions, and more. It can even automate document discovery and downloading from target websites. Foca is a staple for digital forensics and OSINT pros. Maltego CE is hard to beat for visualizing relationships between people, companies, and websites. Start with an email or domain, then use built-in transforms to pull in data and see connections in an interactive graph. Even the free version is an amazing resource for OSINT investigations. Metagoofle crawls websites, harvesting files like PDFs or docs to analyze their metadata. It reveals usernames, file paths, and server info often left inside public documents. Great for self-auditing your company's data leaks. The Social Engineer Toolkit, or SET, simulates social engineering attacks for security testing, craft phishing emails, build fake login pages, and automate spear phishing campaigns. It's modular, scriptable, and helps organizations identify human-based vulnerabilities. Only use CT for ethical authorized testing. Need to track down info on individuals? SkipTracer is your go-to. It scrapes and correlates data from public sources. Phone numbers, emails, social media, even addresses. Feed it a name or email, and it assembles a profile from across the web. Always use this power responsibly and legally. Geolocation is a goldmine for OSINT, and Creepy extracts and visualizes location data from public social posts and images. Map out where posts were made and track travel patterns or routines. For journalists or investigators, this can be the missing link in a story. Working with French data, Little Brother is the tool to know. It gathers intelligence from French public records, social media, and address lookups. Command line based, it's optimized for French language investigations. A great example of how OSINT tools can be customized for specific regions. Datasploit automates intelligence gathering from tons of public sources. Input domains, emails, phone numbers, or usernames, and get a comprehensive view in one dashboard. Perfect for both small investigations and larger security audits. Send0int is a semi-automatic OSINT framework, balancing automation and manual control. Scan domains, emails, IPs, or usernames and track findings in a local database. Write your own modules in JavaScript for custom investigations. Privacy-focused and flexible, Send0int grows with your skills. Trape takes OSINT to the next level with real-time tracking and session monitoring. Set up a web server to track user activity, geolocation, Browser details, device metadata, in real time. Use it ethically and only with explicit permission. What's My Name is a powerful tool for finding where a username is registered across hundreds of websites. Enter a username and get a list of platforms where it's found or available. Great for mapping online identities or checking for impersonation. Let's wrap up with email to phone number. Input an email address and find any phone numbers linked to it through public data sources and leaks.